AI is transforming the healthcare industry, but in brain diagnosis, reliability and privacy remains the major challenges. Dr. Gufran, a radiologist, highlighted a critical scenario. A single brain MRI contains hundreds of images, and doctors have to analyze them manually because they can't rely on AI for the final decision.
At the same time, hospitals generate thousands of valuable MRI cases every day. But this data often remain locked within institution because patient privacy can't be compromised. So the challenge is clear. How do we help doctor diagnose faster today while allowing AI to learn from new patient cases for tomorrow without exposing medical data? That is the problem Brainica was built to solve.
Brainica is an AI powered multi disease brain diagnosis assistant for radiologists and neurologists. A doctor logs in, uploads a patient's MRI study folder, and can analyze it with multiple tools. Brainica automatically analyzes it using deep learning based classification and segmentation models and highlight the suspicious regions, telling doctor to focus here.
But Brainica goes even further. It improves using federated learning. Each hospital trains the model on its own data locally, while patient data never leaves the hospital. Only model updates are shared and combined to create a stronger global model which is sent back to all partner hospitals. So Brainica learned from collective experience while keeping patient data completely private.
With the valuable guidance of our supervisor, co supervisor, and mentor, we built Brainica that continuously evolves with real world clinical experience while preserving data privacy. So join us building the future of brain healthcare.